some are going as far as Aklan and even in Luzon po, no? So we talked about pain in the front of the knee. Now we're talking about yung hindi matupi or hindi ma-bend fully yung knee. Usually, yung pain is nasa lukon-lukon or back of the knee po yung pain. So when you have the back of the knee po, you have also a possibility of having a meniscus injury po. Tapos yung meniscus, ito po yung meniscus, yung nasa gitna. Again, not everyone has arthritis. Pwedeng arthritis or an injury. Pwede din po na magkasabay yung dalawa, arthritis and an injury. Frequently, na nai-injure po yung meniscus dahil nakikita niyo po, pag severe na yung arthritis, nagnadaraw kasi yung joint space. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng joint space? Yung space na in between po yung better knee, no? Ito po yung space in between the bones. Sa x-ray kasi hindi nakikita po yung meniscus. I hope yung yung may patients na may konti na lang yung joint space, they really do seek an opinion from a specialist. Alam ko po na a lot of the Filipinos takot sa doktor, mahal yung doktor, ayaw magantay. There's also the fact na mas maganda, mas madali magbili or bumili sa Shopee, sa Lazada, ng mga supplements, ng mga herbal, dahil gumaling na daw yung kapitbahay nila. But to be fair naman, a lot of these supplements, you need to be careful kasi ang galing ng marketing po, you can be fooled into buying so many things. Bakit ba bumibili tayo ng mga gamot na hindi gumagana? It's because we cling to the hope dahil mura sila. Tapos nakikita natin na gumaling na daw po yung iba dahil sa supplement na to. Titake natin, tapos sasabihin pa nila po na may money back guarantee pag hindi gumana. Pero ayaw nila mag-money back guarantee kasi galing sa China, galing sa abroad. Mahirap i-refund po yan. So, studies have shown po na talagang millions of pesos are wasted sa mga supplements na hindi gumagana because patients and we all cling to hope. Gusto natin gumaling. Tapos, a lot of the doctors naman are expensive siguro, tapos takot sa opera, takot sa doktor, takot sa COVID, ayaw mag-antay sa doktor. So many reasons na ayaw ninyong pumunta sa doctor, but in reality po, we only care naman po for the best, for our patients, best interest. Gusto natin na gumaling po kayo. The fact is, meron kasing wear and tear na disease na yung gulong ng kotse hindi kumakapal. Ganon yung ina-explain ko po sa mga patients ko po na sometimes when you have your knees na wala ng cartilage, parang gulong na yan kotse na wala ng rubber po. Sobrang sakit ng mga patients. I actually have patients just the other day, umiiyak na sila nagsasalita sa akin kasi very emotional na yung mga pasyente pag sobrang tagal na yung knee pain nila. They're actually crying, hindi nila alam kung bakit. Hindi nila makontrol yung sarili nila. They have tried everything na. And for these patients who think they have tried everything, usually naman po, ina-explain ko na meron actually gamot na pwede niyong gawin as maintenance. And these are the things I share with my patients. Sometimes na wala silang hope, pero yun pala, I examine them. When I examine these patients, tapos nakikita ko na may ligament injury po sila, hindi naman lahat ng ligament injury po is need ng surgery. There are actually ligaments sa side ng tuhod, kaya nito. These ligaments, the MCL and the LCL ligaments, usually they can be treated conservatively. Meron po tayong mga knee braces po. Yung knee braces, meron silang mga metal sa gilid. I have patients wear this temporarily for about 2 months hanggat gumaling yung tuhod nila.